Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Microsoft Photos app is not working, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we need to do is to update the Photos app in the Microsoft Store. So for that, we will click on Microsoft Store, go to Library, and then we will click on Get Updates. And this should take some time, but it will update all the apps that are installed in your computer, including Microsoft Photos. Now the next thing we need to do, if that doesn't work, is to reset and repair photos. For that, we will look for photos in the search bar. Click on app settings and we will scroll down to click on repair, wait for the check button and then click on reset and reset again. And once it's done, open the Microsoft Photos app to check if it's working. It should usually work by now, but if it doesn't for some reason, then we will uninstall and reinstall the app. So click on uninstall, uninstall again, and then once that's done, we can go to Microsoft Store and look for photos. And on this bar, I did not uninstall it, but if you have uninstalled it, then you will get a get option on this bar and just click on get and it will be installed. Restart your computer and Microsoft Photos should be working for you. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.